it's Sweety Pie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking like wrinkly, but I swear this background is so cool when it's not. Ugh. It's so hard to get good help. Today is my 29th birthday. We actually celebrated this past weekend and I am filming this on Monday and it's my 29th birthday today. Hey guys, I'm 29. Now when you're seeing this, this will probably be a few days after my birthday, if not like 4 days after my birthday. So yeah, happy birthday to me, and yeah, I am turning 29 and I wanted to share with you guys the stuff that I got for my birthday. I know birthday hauls are kind of like young, but I really just wanted to share with you guys like a lot of the makeup I got because yeah, Matt really spoiled me. I also got some stuff from La Zenza and some stuff from the in-laws, so yeah, if you guys want to see what I got for my 29th birthday, then stay tuned. And yeah, if not, I will see you next time. Alright, let's get into this. So the first thing I want to dive into is obviously this big huge Sephora box. Matt really spoiled me. We also went to Shoppers Drug Mart and they were carrying a bunch of Essence and Stila stuff. So yeah, I burnt a hole in his pocket and you know, it was really cool because he was just so cool about everything, and he was like, you know what, get what you want, get what you've been really wanting, and there's some stuff in here I was really wanting. So yeah, and on top of that, it was the 20% off of like VIB event the very last weekend for that, because they gave like a little bit of an extra weekend for Rouges and VIBs to shop. So I was really happy about that. I could save them a little bit of money from my addiction. So let's dive into this. The first thing that I got was the Kat Von D Crushes. This is her glitter gel for face and body. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And I will do close-ups of all this because some of these I'm not going to swatch right now. I'm going to take pictures of them and then I'll swatch them later on today. But this one, oh my gosh, is so pretty. It's literally like a jelly, like the ones that ColourPop are doing. I actually ordered some stuff off ColourPop. So it comes like this. And I'm just going to swirl my finger around in there. And as you can see, it is this like insane gold. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And I'm excited to use it. I think that this would make an amazing liner, or if you wanted to put this all over the lid, I think that would be excellent. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. So much shimmer to it. And yeah, so I got that, and they only had like one left, so I was kind of happy about that. That's something that I probably would not have bought if it weren't my birthday, because come on, how many times am I going to be able to use this? I don't know. But anyway, let's go on to the next thing that I wasn't really expecting to get. This is one of the Stila Magnificent Metals. This is their Shimmer and Glows. This one is in Vivid Jade. I was going to get the blue one because it looks so beautiful, but they didn't have one left. So I opted for Jade. I have been staring at these online forever now, and this one's so pretty. Oh. And I know I've done a couple videos where I was like, you know, I really don't want to buy these anymore because I feel like they dry out. But this one was just calling my name. Look at that. And not, like, there are not enough greens in the makeup world. That is so pretty, and I'm so excited to use it on my eyes. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do some tutorials using some of this stuff because I'm excited. Alright, let's get on with the next thing. The next thing I got, I'm going to leave the best for last, is the Disco Couture Glow Inferno. This has two diamond glow powders as well as one of their lip glosses. I swatched this in store. So beautiful. The lip gloss is this like peachy, really, really shimmery shade. Oh, the applicator is so cool too. I'm just going to swatch that right there. Very shimmery. It's got like pink and gold flecks in it. And then you get two of their tiny little Artist Couture, and this is all you're going to need for so long. I bought a full size in, ooh, what is the full size in? Cocoa Bling, and it's just too much, way too much. And I'm just going to remove the sticker. Oh, there we go. Oh, Alright, and I'm just gonna dust a little out onto my finger. Wow, that's pretty. Let's get a better swatch than that. Oh, this one's really nice. You see that? Now, if you're not into really messy highlighters, you may not be into this, but honestly, like, these are so pretty on the lid. They would be beautiful on the body. This one is in Yes. It's the pinky one, and that one was in Conceited. And I just wanted some more of these because, oh my gosh, when Jackie Aina uses them, they look so beautiful. And the Cocoa Bling one, although messy, does look pretty beautiful. And I want to try some more from Artist Couture. Their highlighters, like their other ones, oh, that's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. You see that? I will show you some close-ups later. I wish I had some wet naps. Anyway, so that is that little kit that I got. And here I am messing it up before I take pictures, as usual. Alright, the next thing I got was this little kit because it was my birthday, and I got the bike kit. You can also get either 250 points, or you can get, oh, what else can you get? There was a Glam Glow one as well. So in here you get a little agave lip mask treatment. Ooh, this one has their lip scrub and the lip balm. I'm definitely using this. This is a cool one. And then I'm not sure, but I think I may actually have this shade. This is Chai by Bite. Give me one moment. Hey, I actually don't have this shade. I'm so excited. And this shade is really pretty. It's just like a neutral, I hear a lot of people like this, neutral rose, I guess. And then you also get their matte lip cream in Glace, which these are really nice too. I've got a couple of these. Very similar shades, honestly. Like, I don't even see a big difference between those two. But nice to have, I guess. I wish they had kind of been a little more diverse. And then, yeah, you get the little sample. Okay, so one other thing that I got from Shoppers Drug Mart before the pièce de résistance that I got were these little Essence palettes, and I'm definitely going to do a full review on these two because these look really interesting. This one is the To Glam to Give a Damn, and it looks like this. Oh, let's just remove the paper. And this one right here looks really cool. And then I also got the Future Is Me. And this one also has, which I guess is good. Nobody can stick their fingers in it. Essence is notorious for not having a ton of packaging over their makeup, and sometimes you have to be very careful. But yes, we also have this one, which is a little more cool tone. There are mattes in these palettes, like all three of these right here are mattes. And then in this one, I think you get two mattes. Yes, you get this one and that one up here. So Essence going into matte eyeshadows is so cool. Now, the pièce de résistance. Dun 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 dun. Ah! Oh my gosh, I was so happy when Matt was like, you know what? Just get it, we'll get the other stuff, just let's go, we'll get it. So yeah, I picked up the Huda Beauty Nudes palette. I know I didn't need it, I really know I didn't need it, but it's so pretty, and it was my birthday, so Matt said he'd purchase it for me, and I was like, huh, sure. So I've got it. I am not touching it until I take photos of it. It's gorgeous, as I thought it would be. So pretty, and I'm so excited to dive into this formula and do a review on this. I'm so excited. So yeah guys, that was it, and I didn't even pick up any samples from Sephora because I was so excited to go for that Huda Beauty palette, and of course this Stila. I cannot wait to use that as well. Again, Melissa failed at not purchasing any makeup, and my November, my November list will probably be, not that bad because it is literally the 19th. There's a couple palettes coming out that I'm interested in. The Melt palette. I'm just like putting things away. Oh, there it is. Looking for the box. Anyway, so all I have left is the in-laws present and my Lazenza. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. Your boyfriend, husband, whatever, goes into Lazenza with you. Lazenza is I don't know if it's Canadian or if it's in the US or not, but Lazenza is a underwear, bra, lingerie store. Do you think it's okay for your boyfriend to come in with you and, you know, help you pick out? Because we had a lady in there get so embarrassed to walk around that Matt actually said that she was like in there going like, oh, I can't believe you guys let men in this store, blah, blah, blah. Sorry guys, totally messed up my camera. It died and I was like, no! So if it's off a little bit, but anyway, she was ranting and raving it to the other lady that apparently, you know, men should never be in here. It's not like he was in the change room. I don't try them on. I don't try underwear on. I buy the size I know that's gonna fit, and that's the size I stick with, because just trying them on seems gross. Like, it seems gross. Now, I don't know if I've ever discussed this in my channel, but I am not a 100% underwear wearer. I've had issues with my bladder and stuff like that my whole life, and you know, just any kind of material like rubbing against that area really tightly has always been just not a good deal. So when I'm on my, or, you know, if I'm feeling rather sexy, I will totally, you know, wear underwear. But other than that, you know, I cook commando a lot. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just said that. But yeah, like, you know, I just like any other girl like to look good, and like, come on, look at those. Like, are those not like the cutest things you've ever seen? These are so cool, and they're like those seamless types of underwear. So I got these. And yes, this is all going to be underwear because they were like, I think they were 10 for 45 bucks. And Matt was like, yeah, you should go in there. The next one I got was this one. It says Lazenza on it. And of course, it's a thong that I would never wear on a regular day. Then these ones are so cute. I would definitely wear these. They're just normal. But they've got like a cute little diamond in the front. I haven't even taken the tags off of all of these. See? So you've got like the cute little diamond in the front, and it's just normal. And these are so soft. These ones are really cool. They are like, what? Come on. They're like that shiny material, but on the inside, they're like a velvety material, so it's not like gonna bother you. Again, another one of the seamless pairs. And then I got this one, which is so cute. It's got like the lace detailing on the side. Then I got, ooh, this one's so soft. Like that. And I got, these pink ones were a real hit, but they're so simple, which is so funny. There we go. And lastly, oh no, I've got two more. I've got these ones, which are so comfy. I love these. They're just comfy booty short type of things with lace on the back of them. And then another red pair, because, I don't know, they had a lot of red panties there. And there were like some youngins there, which kind of always creeps me out. But yeah, then I have this pair. I cannot believe I just showed you guys all my underwear. But yeah, they're so cute. Like, they have all kinds of cute little styles, and they're all super soft so that you don't have to worry about feeling uncomfortable in them. Then I also got a happy birthday card and like, a heck of a lot of scratch tickets. A heck of a lot of scratch tickets. And I think I won on pretty much all of them, which was pretty cool. And then I also got some movie passes, so me and Matt are going to go see the new Harry Potter next weekend. So yeah, guys, that was all of my 29th birthday haul. I'm so excited for some of this stuff. It's just like, oh, and even like these, I can't wait to move my kid. Ooh, so yeah, kid. Ooh, so yeah. Again, obviously, reviews coming out. This week, I'm going to be doing reviews. I'm going to do a comprehensive face palette review on all of these babies. If it's out already, I will link it, but I don't think it will be. It's so many, okay? And they're all kind of holiday palettes except for one. So there is the NARS Tryst palette. There is the Kat Von D Fetish palette. There is the Clinique Get Cheeky, Get Cheeky palette, Hourglass Ambient Lighting 4 palette, and the Jouer Cosmetics Flirt Blush Duo. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in that, I will link it. If not, no problem. I also have a bunch of Physicians Formula holiday stuff, as well as some pigment sets that I'd like to talk about as well. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for, watching my video, and thank you so much for all your birthday wishes. I'm sure there's been some birthday wishes by now. And yeah, I love you guys so, so much. Mwah. Bye!